Make your own cough syrup that will heal and strengthen you when you're feeling under the weather. Slice oranges or other citrus, which gives a lot of vitamin C. Add peeled and diced ginger, which helps with inflammation, congestion, nausea, and sore throat. Optional to add is mullein, which is an expectorant and helps with coughs, congestion, and bronchitis. And honey is an antibacterial and full of natural antioxidants that just get better with fermentation. And with no expiration date, it will be ready in the pantry the next time you need it. Give it a shake every day and it will be ready to use in 2 weeks. Strain and take by the spoonful when needed.